Camera.
And what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to become a photographer. I'm going to be taking pictures of people without their consent. I mean, all right.
What?
So,
what?
No. All right. So don't touch this, because this box is what you're going to be in. So don't touch it. Sir, please move. Sir, please stop touching.
But I want to take a picture of you and me.
Yeah, you will. We will. Just.
I have long arms.
Yeah, dude, nice.
What the hell?
No, trust me. Trust me.
Are we bringing anglerfish?
No. You're getting a picture taken of you without your consent.
Wait, what?
Not
Follow me.
Bro, where you going?
If you take a picture without my consent, I will blow you.
Okay. So,
Wait, can you buy me some balloons?
the balloons
buy me
are... Bro, I'm trying to take a picture of you.
I'm gonna shoot your balloon
Alright.
like I'm Groot.
Alright. You ready? Alright.
Stop. Yeah.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the box and then go inside like this. And then you can
Okay.
drop it if you want to put your hands up, okay?
Okay.
Oh, no. You have to grab it and just hold it. Just hold it.
Like this?
And then flip it so there. Here.
Yeah.
Make it
Like what?
so hold it by the bottom and just go like this. Okay?
How do you do that? Oh, sorry.
You grab it and then just hold it. Okay?
Okay. Oh.
Oh.
But I don't know how to do that.
You know what? Screw the box.
What?
Actually, wait, hold on. Don't take it though, because I will be needing
I
it.
want an umbrella.
No.
Yo, can you buy me some balloons?
Yeah, I will in a second. Promise me not to touch this stuff.
Okay. I'm Spider-Man. I can fly.
You're gonna mess it up.
Legends never die. Legends never die.
Okay, hold on. Don't touch that stuff. Okay. Get the database tablet in. Get that out of there. Connect that wire in. Okay. Alright, sir. Please step right here. Just stand right in front of it. Don't touch the box or anything. Okay? Just say like that.
What's happening? Something fell.
You know what?
I think he's
Stand in
falling.
front of the box. Stand still.
Okay.
Stand still. Stand still. Face the... Stand still. Hold on. Let me in. Database. Okay. And smile. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay. How do you like your picture? Here. Here you go.
Can we take it again? Wait, again.
Why?
Again.
Okay.
Because. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay.
Stand right there.
Okay.
Okay. This is like the thing that goes in front of the lights usually. Hold on. Wait. Face me. Sir? Face me. Say cheese. Wow. Interesting code. Alright, here you go.
Can I
You
see?
can take that home with you if you want.
Hey. Thank you.
I'm gonna pack up my supplies.
Wait, bro.
Where? Can you add me?
George Pickens, I cannot add you.
Please. 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 Please.
Bye-bye. Should I just take one? Hey, who wants to get a picture taken?
Like a giant backpack full of random stuff.
Bro, why would you
Let's
blow
go
us
get our
up?
stuff back. Why would you blow us up?
That's TNT.
Bro,
But I was actually gonna give the loser
Why would you
a
blow
ton
us
of
up?
stuff, but you kind of ruined the video, so.
It's not about the money. Red, don't take my stuff. I won't.
Started with your yeah, and you spell like bug, yeah, fart, big, the calculator.
Bro! Oh my god.
Oh my god, no, don't eat the apple, don't eat the apple. Why would you eat the apple?
There's a giveaway here. Huh?
This kid just ate the apple, bro. That kid is so dumb.
Calculator.
hey, who wants a picture taken? Who wants a picture taken?
Me.
Yo, y'all!
Can somebody buy me a backpack?
If you want a picture taken, join the code 714. Join the code 714.
Guys!
714.
Guys! Two.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Y'all ready for your pictures?
Yeah.
Guys, hold on.
Alright, one at a time. Who's going first?
I am.
Alright. I need you to stand
I'm coming out.
in front of this box, not in it. No, right here. Right here. Stand right here. We can get a group photo if y'all want.
Yeah.
Also, as a gift for y'all coming here,
Mine. I want to take my hook shot.
Guys, everybody go in here. Everybody go in here. Go into
I
the
already
box.
know it.
no, don't go in there. Oh, by the way, guys, say hi to my kids. It was bring your kids to work day. Don't ask why they're ducks and I'm a dog.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Alright. So y'all ready or what?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna need that.
Hi guys. Do you want to go mining?
Miners, I love mining.
Oh my god. Looks like
Bro, I need
a
my picture
trial
taken like right now. I got 10
yearns for
seconds left.
Alright. Put your
Do it, hurry.
child that yearns for
Stand-
mines.
Watch out, no, watch out. You stand in front of this.
Alexa,
Hey, that was my hook shot.
go.
That was my hook shot.
No, it wasn't. This is mine.
Tracking up the database, shut up.
Just have it. Take it.
Okay.
Bye. Gotta go.
So what, you want your picture taken too?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. Remember that will cost 15 quadrillion. No, I'm joking. Okay.
Oh crap, the box. Ah! Oh crap. Oh.
Okay. Hold on. Oh. Screw it, I don't care. Okay. Oh. I can't load the database without this. Okay. Connect. Hey, where are you? Hello?
I'm stuck.
Where are you?
You know the little place where you can go to?
Green?
That's where I...
He just appeared. Come back, bro. Come on. Ready for your pictures?
There's no way to get...
Bro, I'm about to leave, bro. Hurry up. Get your pictures taken right now. Come back right now. Die. Just die, bro. Come back to spawn.
Well, I just...
Come back to spawn. Hurry up. You are 5 seconds before I leave. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't care about that. Take my business somewhere elsewhere. Take my business elsewhere. Hey, who wants a picture taken of this house?
The only thing
Who wants a picture? Purple, purple.
You wanna be my Pokemon?
Yeah, but stay here first. Stay here first. Stay here.
So I'm gonna be in on
Alright.
purpose. First person to find me gets.
Do you want down low or up high?
Okay, so everyone, don't look for me. Don't look at me. Don't look for me yet. I will say when to come looking. I will say when to come looking.
Yeah.
Good bag. I'll be your Pokemon bag.
I wish everyone good luck.
Does anyone want to go cave diving?
Yeah, social what? Hey, guess what? Hey, Blue, you know what you are? Retard.
Bag.
Okay, here, do it again.
Get it.
You look like a retarded little.
Last person, bro. They literally were refusing. Like I said,
Let
oh yeah,
me put it in.
It is. Oh my.
Why is it falling out of my backpack?
Right here.
Hi.
I'm gonna go
Tell
take
me where
out.
you're at.
It's not in.
Yes, it is.
Right here, give me it. I'll do it.
Drew, tell us when you're ready.
Thanks. No! But then I want to go cave diving.
Alright,
Blue, are you ready yet?
come on. Go throw me
Hey,
somewhere.
you want to go in my bag? You want to be my Pokemon? Let's go cave diving. Private time.
Okay,
Keep on going out of my bag.
Players. The
No,
first
I'm
person
just
to find me in this hide and seek gets the tiny galaxy
Yo.
black
He liked
crate.
it.
Good luck.
I found
There.
Are
I
you
found
like
you.
in the main forest map part, like where spawners are you? I'm gonna use my tracking. Are you in Neo regular map? Like spawn. Bro, like give us a hint.
Chicken juice.
Yeah, bro, give us a hint. I don't know you.
Buddy, darn that man. Hey, dude. You're my brother.
attention all players. If you can tag me you get a bag full of galaxy items.
Leave me now.
Tag.
Bananas are I took a bag
Oh
full
my
of bananas
God.
and they're pretty yummy, bro.
Hey. You can die here. So that's what I'm scared about.
Does anybody here want to make a movie and
No, I have a grappler, but like, still ain't trying to
Where's the person
die.
that said if you tag me?
Kind of what?